Alrighty, here we are, April 1st, 2025. Oh yeah, I got something. What is this? Now this is kind of weird because I saw the mail truck go yesterday and I've been waiting for this. This is my computer for my truck. It's $700 right here. And I saw the mail truck go. Gotta tape everything up so good. So I went out and looked because I knew this was coming. Here, well, we got to unbag this thing, but it's got like 3 more bags on it and it's all glued up really good. I can't get the damn thing open. Let me go get a knife. Okay, here it is. I got it cut open. Let's do the official unboxing. Oh my goodness. Now, in case you're unaware, this is for a 93 Ford F2. Oh my God, I thought it was brand new. It looks like it's pulled out of a junkyard. Just fuzz and dirt and well, so much for being brand new. Pins don't look that clean, but it's got a lifetime warranty on it, and they did polish it up pretty good there with a wire wheel or something. Looks kind of okay, I guess. It's got the security seal on here, so yeah, $700 brand new computer. I wish I could see inside, but it's got seals on there, so we can't do that. But hopefully this is going to make my truck run again. Yeah, looks like it was done in Taiwan or something. There it is. My I thought it was, well, it's new. I cleaned up the pins and stuff a little bit. They were kind of horrible looking. Dust and lint and stuff all over. I sprayed some cleaner in there to get the dirt out of the corners, and the seal looks really nice. They did do a nice job buffing it with the wire wheel there. They really went to town on it. So I'm going to get this thing in the truck. I've already got most of the wrench there. I came inside to get that, but I got most of this thing taken apart already there, and went inside to get my wrench. It was in my pocket the whole time. But you're going to need a 7/32 socket to get all the little nuts out of the edge of the fender there, and then you're going to need to break that down from there. Then we're going to go in there with a couple, I think one of them is a 7/16 or a 10 millimeter. Wait, no, there's a 10 millimeter there. I think that'll get us into it. Because now as you're facing the vehicle, you're going to come down in there behind the firewall there. Right down there past the brake booster. Way down in there. Oh wait, it's not a 10 millimeter. It's a 12 millimeter or something. That's the wrong side. Let me get another wrench here. If you got one of these little offset screwdrivers, that's really the easiest way to get this thing off. Now we got this 10 and 12 millimeter. It's 10 for the middle one there, and it's 12 for the ones up here on the edge. Alright, so you undo that middle one there, and then you can unplug the thing. Now we got to take these 12 millimeter bolts out of, or nuts off of there, and slide that out. One other important thing we want to do is disconnect our battery. We don't want to plug this into the new computer with the battery hooked up to it. We want to, I think that's the way you're supposed to do it. So better safe than sorry. Alright, well that was interesting. When I pulled this cover off, the inside, yeah, you can see it there, it's a little wet. And this little dimpled part here in the top's got a little hole through there, so that's not sealing at all. And then the part of this rubber edge here is all hard, and it's got a couple little cracks on the inside of that too, so I might have to address that somehow. I don't know what. Alright, so I just got to yank the computer out of that slot to get it past the wheel well that's pushing in the way here. Jeez, oh my God. Let me see if I can do this without dropping the phone down in there. Alright. Pull down on the wheel well. Nope, it didn't work. There it goes. There. I got it out of there. I wrestled that bugger out of there all by myself, I did. Alright, so there's the old one. Tried and true. I figure that's worth at least $300. Even, and it may be more. And if this one don't work, that's the only, I only hope I can get that one rebuilt to get back in here. Now hopefully this is for a manual transmission, and there's a water that dripped out of there. See that water? The water that leaked into this one was lucky enough to go right on the new computer before I installed it. So I guess kind of christened it there, baptized it. Yeah, there's some water right there. Pre-moistened it. All right, so I said a little prayer over it, asking the Lord to please help this be the right computer and for to fix my problems. All right, well, I'm going to wrestle this thing down in there. It's probably gonna push the camera over again here. I'm gonna get this in the wedge there. They don't make it easy. I gotta. All right, here, get on in there. There she goes. Get on in there. There it is. All right. Now let me go put some liquid electrical tape all over the inside of this. Try to seal that up a little bit. Yeah, see, that's got a big old hole right through there. So that's definitely not sealed. Definitely wet. Hey, there we are, April 1st. April Fool's Day. I don't know if this is going to be good or not, but I got my computer all back in here. Got the battery hooked back up. Gonna fix this seat next, maybe. It's only been 3 years. You know what they say about the plumber's drain, it's always clogged. Let me put the brake on here so we don't go rolling down the driveway too far. Let's see what happens here. We're gonna turn it on. We got no lights. There's a check engine light over there. Let's see if we can get her to fire. Takes 4 seconds for that pump to turn on. It's running. Touch the gas a little bit, it idled down. Seems pretty smooth. No bucking and chucking yet. No engine lights on. Seems pretty smooth and responsive. Oh my God. It might have fixed it. Alright, let me close this hood, maybe we'll go for a ride. Maybe I'll just let it warm up for a minute. We got oil pressure, that looks good. We got fuel, that's good. Battery's charging, that's good. Oh my God, it's actually... It's got that little skip in there once in a while, but it's not... Oh man, I think I fixed it. I think it fixed it. Alright, you want to find out where I got my computer? Like and subscribe and leave me a comment and I'll tell you. Alright. Out here test driving. Been sitting for, oh man, probably 3-4 days. I wasn't rolling. No, wait, no, it's been over a week. It's been sitting there. I haven't driven it because I was waiting on the computer. It's got a little bit of a I think it's just got to warm up a little bit, and it's got to learn the new computer. It hasn't been running good in so long. But yeah, it's running good now. Oh man, just take a little. I think I might need a valve job actually. But at least it's not sputtering and bucking and dying. Oh man, I ain't got very many brakes there. Really don't need brakes if you got gears. You should be able to slow it down with the gears. And it's not as smooth as it could be. It's a little... Man, she settles right down to a nice idle though. I think it just might need to be driven around a little bit so the new computer can learn what to do. Yeah, she's running nice. Go out in the woods. Nah, you can pick up a nail out there. They dump a lot of stuff out there sometimes. Roofers and stuff. I've actually salvaged stuff out of there before. Man, this thing's running good though. Oh my God, I'm so happy. I think that prayer helped. It didn't hurt, that's for sure. Thank you, Lord. Got my truck running. See, this is usually how I drive. Way too slow in third gear. But, I mean, I'm just kind of idling along. I don't really need to go that fast. I might have to do another oil change. Yeah, let's change the oil in her. That's when it went bad. Last year when I changed the oil, it's been a year since I changed the oil because things went wrong when I did. Oh yeah, it's running nice. Idles right down and then takes right off. Nice and smooth. Uh-oh, they're getting new air conditioner. I wonder what they're doing with that old one. Oh man, so happy. Oh yeah, coming down the road. This is my road here. Here's my lot coming up, the new cleared lot for the neighbors, so you can kind of see over into my property over there. But I got all my bamboo moved up. Piled these logs up, try to keep the dogs in there. They figured out how to get past it though. They're not stupid.